I think the first thing that needs to happen is a little ice in the cups.
Oh yeah. Peach Bellini and bacon, of course.
Testing a wood-burning stove. I like to cut it in half because I'm going to be cooking it on a small pan. Do I know what I'm doing? No. All right. So I can't remember who it was that had one of these, but in the desert, when we were showing our favorite things, one of the women there had this.
Nice, neat little package. Small.
See, I haven't even really unwrapped it.
Yeah, this is first opening.
That's the part you can cook directly on, or you can put this one. And I think today we're going to use this one.
Right.
I'm going to use that pan. We'll see how sturdy everything is.
Yeah. It's all pretty and new.
That slides in there and sits on those.
Right, through
and
the side, not the
hold
front.
the coals, because you can also use coals and all kinds of stuff.
Okay, so I'm thinking if you have some aluminum foil, it might be good to put it under that while you're cooking here.
Excellent suggestion.
We're actually at Oleno State Park, O''Leno State Park in Florida. A beautiful, very rustic, old campground.
I love this place.
Very quiet.
Don't tell everybody about it.
Okay, maybe I'll have to delete that. We just got some non-stick heavy-duty aluminum foil. We're going to put it down under the little oven there. So
you're
that
saying put it under here?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, spread it out and keep the table clean. Any little sparks and things that fly out of there. There, now we got it covered. And another piece.
For this, I'm going to wrap
the floor.
Why? Because I can.
And it makes it easy. A little more finagling since it's got that foil on it, but it might well be worth it.
I'm thinking it will be. Just to keep it pretty for a minute or two.
I don't hear that word finagle much anymore. Why is that?
It's funny, you say...
Nobody finagles anymore, do they?
You say finagle, I say finagle.
I wonder if you could put it in there and then lay it down. Is there a way to open it up you could do? Yep, you could.
Well,
take
no,
the aluminum
but
off.
Then it doesn't slide in and out like... This is going in.
It's going.
I'm committed. No, I'm already tearing it up. All right, we're going to try it Jan's way. But let's see if it'll just fit.
Yeah, that might be nice too. Probably, I don't think so. No, it needs to go in the groove. Yeah, well, we're going to make it work like that.
It worked.
Okay, we're
So
there.
I was able to, you want to show them this piece comes up, and I just set it in there.
There you go.
So we could try sticks and everything, but that sounds like a lot of extra work. So I want to try it with this.
Fire start.
All right.
Neither one of us build fires a lot, right? I know I don't.
I am not the fire person. This is, I buy those fire logs like this. This is the way I make a fire.
Yeah.
This, you can have either this one on here.
To actually grill on.
To actually grill directly on. And I could set the pan on here too if I wanted. Or this piece, which fits here like that.
Seems more suited to a pan.
And then these come out. This I don't think is debuted. So, ladies, adult bib, Amazon. And I found the butterflies in a 2-pack. So only one of them was butterflies and the other one was another design. But
yeah, people always ask you about that, don't they?
they do. And
all the time.
Whoa, I
where'd
love
you
your
get that?
scarf. I love your scarf. It's not a scarf. It's an adult bib.
Yeah, that's
Keeps me from, because there's a hole in my chin.
Yeah.
All right, people. Taking fire in. We'll see. Oh, and of course the wind picks up.
Yeah, it wasn't windy till just now.
That second.
Right when you clicked it, the wind picked up. Okay.
Now I think we can close this so the heat goes more up.
Right, and the fire doesn't go out.
I'm thinking this would be good to make little kebabs on.
Nice to be able to use small fallen wood around. Okay.
Bacon on here. And I've had
That's
this
really coming up there.
I've had this little skillet for a long time. I just had this delivered January 19th. So it's called a Red Camp wood burning camping stove.
Now for the good part.
And Ramona likes her crispy bacon.
Crispy bacon. Meaty bacon.
You hear that crunch?
Yep. That's
Cracker
good.
Barrel. That's the way I like my bacon.
Yeah, that's good.